Here is the beta preview for the Visual Spiral Tower website. Sorry about my voice. Allergy season has got me. The first thing that we have to do is give many props to Psychomaniac14. He compiled all of the posts all over the subreddit for years, I think, to get to the current document that we have. It's 130 pages. I'm hoping that this site is just here to make his life easier and not replace him. He's invaluable. He's awesome. I am currently importing all of this data into the website. To add new data, you guys will be able to start a new post. Put the word new floor here. This is what the bot will pick up as a command that you want a new floor. Here's the number of the floor that you want, the title of the floor, and a description. The site is going to try and look at the description, hit an image generating API, and try and draw what you describe here. It's just a placeholder. You can replace it if you want, or keep it, or do whatever you want with it. Once you submit this, the bot will pick it up and notice and make a new floor on the website. If it's your first time posting, it'll send you a Reddit private message with a password to the site, and you'll be able to log in and make more detailed changes to the floor. I will eventually add as many triggers to the subreddit as possible, so you will never have to leave the subreddit to contribute to the tower. So now that the bot has picked up the new floor request and made it, you can find it on the website here. I called it Octopus Storage, our large room for various robotics to sort and store all manner of octopuses in various bins, boxes, and containers. The site will look at the image and try to pick colors that go with the image. If you don't like the colors that it picks, you can edit the page and select any custom colors that you want. I will make a tutorial on how to edit all the content in the next video. So now that we know how to get content onto the site, let's see how to use it. This is the initial starting port of the tower. It's just like your initial starting point of the subreddit. You should recognize the text. I'm going to teleport us over to a different room so I can show you some of the features. This is floor 2, the communal floor. You can see it's got a title and content. You can hide the content if you want to see the background or need to interact with the background. You will, because the doors here take you places in the tower. There's different rooms inside each floor. There's 4 rooms on this floor. If you want the content back, you can just flip it on, or you can always just hover the title bar and that'll show you the content. If you're one of the people that just hates AI generated nonsense entirely, you can view the text only version of the site, and you have links here to all the rooms, and you can navigate that way and just do it like a choose your own adventure book. If you own this floor, if you're the creator, you'll be able to edit it, and there's all kinds of settings in here you can customize things with. You can create a new portal. A portal can be a door or a vortex. There's all kinds of different little fun ways to implement moving around the tower. So if you want to edit the current portals, you hit the edit button, and you can resize these floors and place them wherever you need. I don't want to do that right now, so I'm going to turn this off and hit cancel. Before we head off to a room, we could sign the guest book and let everybody know that you made it to this floor. Some of them are going to be really hard to get to, so putting a piece of graffiti with your name on it is going to be fun. So let's take a look at the billiard room. This looks like a cool place to hang out. From here, we could go take the stairs, the Spiral Tower all-inclusive rail system. This will take you to just about any floor. Some floors are hidden. Some floors you can see, but they're intentionally blocked, like the floor of horrors, for your own safety. Let's just jump down to the ground floor for now. So here we are on the ground floor. This image is bigger than the screen. So when that happens, there will be scroll bars on each side, so you can go get a better view of everything. This floor, the AI did the best it could with this description. Over here is the Sunday shop and the security room. Those will be rooms that we can walk into and do things. So I brought you here to show you one cool little feature. Obviously, you can replace this image if you don't like it. You can draw one of your own, generate your own with AI, whatever you want. You could also replace it with a YouTube video. I'll take you to that right now. We're going to get there using the twist system. That's the teleportation wizard in SpiralTower. You can type in a floor number or keyword. Use at your own risk. My new test floor is on 7, 8, 9, 10. And here's video of Mars. This is a window to Mars. We can turn the sound on. This is what it sounds like on Mars. That's just to show you what's possible. The other cool thing that you can do, and I have this happening on the ground floor, is you can make your YouTube video a background with your other image on top. So this floor text says there is a piano that comforts everyone that's on the ground floor. We can turn the volume on. And this is just piano from a YouTube video. Now to take it to the next level, let's look at the reception lobby. If you edit the settings for this floor, one of the things you can do is add custom JavaScript. So if you know JavaScript, or you can have me or someone else here help you with your ideas, we can make the tower more interactive. If you read the book about the tower, the description for this room is a lot bigger. But instead of pasting that text, I made it actually work. So the text says there's an elevator at the back of the room. You can go in the elevator and click a panel to get to a secret room that's behind it. So I have it so if you mouse over the doors, you can look into the elevator. If you click on the panel in the back, you reveal a secret keypad that can take you to the next floor. If you get the code correct, you'll be able to find whatever surprise the creator of this floor put there for you. There's a clue in this room that tells you what the code is. Let's see if you can find it. I think that's it for now. I just wanted to give everyone an update and get everyone's opinion before I start coding even more things that maybe people don't want, or maybe there's more important things that I missed. Please let me know, and I'll try and get everyone's ideas put into the site.